Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are making rich and flavorful chicken korma. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Start by heating 1.5 cup of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 3 sliced onion and fry them until they turn golden brown color. Once brown, remove the onion and crush them and set aside. In the same pan, add the whole spices listed in the recipe. Stir them, then add 1 kilogram of chicken. Mix everything well, then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and cook the chicken for 5 minutes. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. Take 1.25 cup of yogurt, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Whisk everything well. Pour the spice yogurt mixture into the same pan, stir it well. Then add the crushed onion back into the pan and mix everything together. Now add the cooked chicken into the pan. Mix everything well, then add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Mix well. Now add 1 cup of water. Mix well, cover and cook chicken until it's done. Once done, add 4 green chilies. Cover the pan and cook it for another 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander. Cover and let it simmer, and there you have it. This recipe is perfect for lunch and dinner. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!